Welcome back to my channel, gorgeous people. Hope you're all having an amazing day. Hope you're having an amazing week as well. Thank you for your likes, for your comments, for your subscriptions as well. Thank you to my old and my new subscribers. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to press the subscribe button and do turn on the notification bell in order for you to know whenever I upload. So today is my free Wednesday style. Okay, I got to do whatever I want to do on this Wednesday. Short and very easy, quick, bam 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 kind of video. So today I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to clean this shoe to make it white. So things that we're going to be needing are, of course, we're going to need the shoes, which we already placed over there. We're going to need a toothpaste. You can get this in, $1 or $1 something cent, and an old toothbrush. So without wasting much of your time, let's get right into this. Of course, we're going to need a small towel, whatever size that is convenient for you, to dry it up after we finish washing. So I'm going to move ahead. I'm in my bathroom. I'm going to run the tap and apply the toothpaste on the brush. Like that. I use my hand to saturate it to make it go all over. Pick up the shoe and just brush. So this is a way of me testing if this actually works. Honestly, I've not tried it before. So now that we brushed it round with a toothbrush and the toothbrush and the paste, I'm going to go ahead and use a damp towel to wipe for you guys to see. See how clean. See that compared to the other side I have not wiped. I'm sorry if I'm being focused. So look at the side I haven't wiped. Look at the side that I've wiped. How clean it is. So let me just go ahead and wipe the rest. So this is it. I cleaned the second one. Even I had this very pink stain here that's been there for a very long time. It actually took it out. It faded it out very to the barest minimum that you can hardly see it. It's just somewhere around here. And this is how I was able to clean this shoe. Clean. And this is the first one that I cleaned on the camera. Okay, I hope you all enjoy watching this video. Please let me know down below. Give me a comment and please subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and turn your notification bell as well. And I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.